Back at you with more VFD and Nixie banter. I found the kit for the missing board for the tubes, the IV12s, I believe it was, and it's for Yulia here. The IV12s. So I bought the tubes. They came separately when I bought the kit. So now, so I don't forget again, we're going to join the tubes with the clock kit. So we solved the mystery of there's no home for the tubes. So here are the tubes. I already shown these in a previous video. They're beautiful tubes. They belong to Yulia. I hope I don't have no idea how to pronounce that. Could be right, could be wrong. Doesn't really matter. So we got 6 tubes for her. We're gonna join them together so I don't forget where they went. And then all I got now, and I believe this this iron N14 tube was a spare, just in case I need one. So we solved that mystery, because that's what happens when years go by and you don't fuss with the kits. You forget what goes to what and when you ordered it and what is in what. So we have fixed that. So Yulia version 6 had a video on her, showed you off all the bits. Didn't even dawn on me that the tubes were not with her. I guess it just went right over my head. Hey, where's the tubes? And you probably were asking too. Where's the tubes? Hey, stupid. Where's the tubes? Here's the tubes. With all their birth dates on them. Let's see, 86. Another 86. Another 86. Another 86. 86. And an unmarked one. So we'll give it a go and we'll say it's an 86. So I don't know. So we'll bag all them up and keep them together. And I got the only thing that this kit came with, I believe, or I threw them in there, was the separators. Didn't even dawn on me that the but I got 4 of them. Interesting. Maybe he threw them in for extras, or I got them off from something else. I don't remember. Oh well, it doesn't matter. It's always good to have extras. So we need to protect them so they don't get damaged. So we'll get some paper towels out. And we'll put them and join them together so we don't lose them again. So they are conjoined. So we'll put this tube in there, wrap it up a little bit, put that one in there, wrap that up a little bit. So that'll make it a little easier when I build this thing to say, where's the tubes? And then I would freak out and go buy another set, and then later on find them. And I'm like, well, now I got 6 tubes, spares. Not that it's a bad thing. You always need spares. Especially something like this where you can just pluck them in case you got one that went bad. Because it does happen. So there, I have solved the mystery of what the new 6 tubes belong to. So there, belongs to Yulia here. And of course, like I mentioned, Comma Labs is no longer selling on eBay. Not sure if their website is still running. You can't get that kind. So if you see it here, I pretty much got them just before that guy closed his shop up. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.